Hey everybody, you asked, we've answered. We've got a exclusive Northern Liberties condo tour coming right at you. All right, so we're here at the beautiful 950 condo right across from, see if we can get you there, right across from Liberty Lands Park. All right, so we've got exclusive parking, not only an exclusive tour, I hope it's not too loud out here for you, but we've got your own parking spot here. All right, let's head inside. Now we've got the master. All right, we're coming inside so your packages are secure. And just outside the front door is your trash room. So the laundry, or the trash rather, stays separate from the rest of the building. Got a nice little cool little lobby to hang out in. It's nice and cool in here. Camera on camera. All right, let's head on up to the second floor. Check out this beautiful condo. Got your mailbox system in here. Got a little room to kind of sit and chill. Let's head up. All right, let's give you a different kind of a view from the elevator while we're waiting. So got a little lobby here while your guests could kind of sit and wait for you. Your mail system is right here. All your packages are here. Beautiful, beautiful view of the park just across the street. All right, let's head on up to 950 mode. Second floor. All right, just as we exit the elevator, got a bunch of units on the floor here, really well lit. Okay, as we head inside to this beautiful, modern, one bedroom, one bath condo overlooking Liberty Lands Park. Got a semi-covered parking spot, secure gated entrance, open living and dining space, got high ceilings, got laundry in unit. Now the kitchen does feature a breakfast bar with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, You like natural light? You like that view? Well, this one's for you. Large closet, plenty of space. I would call that semi walk-in. Got a light in the closet as well. Got a nice private bath. Can be private or also can access it from the hallway. Let's get the light turned on. A lot of natural light with the doors open, of course, so you can access it from the bedroom or from the hallway. Super modernized, nice size, comfortable for sure. Back around to the front. Now this unit is just about 900 square feet. Perfect size for a single or growing family. Hey everybody, we're taking a quick tour through this condo here in Northern Liberty. So I just wanted to point out a few things that I really like about it. You got a massive closet here for your pantry right off the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, really open space here. You got stainless steel appliances. You got that beautiful view, open living room, dining room concept here, right out to the deck. And what's nice about it too, is if you're entertaining, your bathroom, which is down this hallway here, which is right across from the laundry, which is handy. Got a little utility room in here too. Your hot water heater, washer, dryer, that's convenient. But you can have your bath accessible right from the hallway here, and also can get you through into the master. This is a beautiful little bathroom here, perfect just for what you need. But what's great about this view here is check out that view from the master You've got sun on all sides. All right, so if you remember, I was on the other side of this private parking area. So this is semi-covered. Now there's a lot of spots here, but what I really like about this outdoor space is this communal spot. You can have fun with your neighbors, fun by yourself. You can read a book, you can do some cooking. Let's check it out. So you've definitely got a private, secure parking area. Most of the spots are covered. Some of them are semi-covered, so you might get a little snow on you if you're coming in the wintertime here in Philadelphia. But check out this awesome, fun, neighborly hangout here. You got a nice patio. You can sit here. You can do a little grilling, do a little chilling. Say hi to your neighbors. Have a little bite to eat. Your one neighbor even has a hammock out. But this is a pet-friendly place. Now, these units originally went for right under $300,000, and now they're going for just around $350,000 on average. What else can I say here about Northern Liberties, except I want you to say yes to no libs. All right. All kidding aside, I'm Gregory Martier, your local real estate expert here in Northern Liberties. Outside of Philly, inside of Philly, we got you covered in Jersey too. Heck, we got you covered worldwide. Call us for any real estate needs or shoot me a text. But if you like the video, hit that comment button and let us know. Also hit subscribe. Also hit that bell notification. Hit me up anytime. We answer all communication. I'm glad you stopped out. Have a great day, everybody.